Hello YouTube, tech back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a driver can't load on this device error in Windows computer. So to fix this problem, we are going to use some steps, and these steps will work for all Windows operating system, Windows 11, Windows 10, and other Windows operating system. So to fix this problem, open your Windows Update. So click here the search icon, and after that type here Windows Update. Here the Windows Update setting, then open that. So after the Windows Update setting open, then scroll down and you will find here advanced options. So select this advanced option and scroll down and you will find here optional updates. Select this optional updates. So after the optional updates opened, you will find here driver updates. So click here download and install. In my case it's grayed out, but in your case it may be active. So select download and install. So it will start downloading. Wait until it will finish the downloading step. So after the downloading completed, close your settings, then click here again the search icon. Then after that here type Windows Security. Here the Windows Security, so open the Windows Security. So after the Windows Security open, you will find there device security, or if you cannot find it, click here virus and threat. Click here device security, then open the device security. Then after that you will find here core isolation. So select here core isolation details. Then after that, if you find here memory integrity is turned on, make sure you turn it off. So select turn it off and select here yes. Then it will turn off the memory integrity. Then close your Windows Security. And these steps can solve a driver can't load on this device error on your computer. And I hope this video helped you. So please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Tech out.